The origins of the universe have fascinated humanity for millennia. Across cultures and epochs, people have looked to the heavens and wondered where it all began. This innate curiosity has fueled myths, legends, and eventually scientific inquiry, bringing us closer to understanding the birth of everything we know. This is the story of the universe's origins, a tale that spans time, space, and the very fabric of existence. In the beginning, there was nothing as we understand it. Time, space, matter, and energy were non-existent. Then, approximately 13.8 billion years ago, a momentous event occurred. This event, known as the Big Bang, was not an explosion in the conventional sense, but rather an immense expansion. From an infinitesimally small point, the universe burst into being, expanding rapidly in all directions. The early universe was unimaginably hot and dense. In the first fractions of a second, fundamental particles began to form. Quarks and gluons emerged, interacting with one another in a chaotic dance. These particles combined to form protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei. As the universe expanded, it cooled, allowing these nuclei to bind together with electrons to form the first atoms. Hydrogen and helium dominated this early cosmic chemistry, with traces of lithium. During this epoch, the universe was a hot, opaque fog. Photons, or particles of light, were scattered endlessly by free electrons. But as the universe cooled further, these electrons bound to nuclei, and light could finally travel freely. This moment, known as recombination, marked the birth of the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow that still permeates the universe today. This radiation is a relic of the early universe, a snapshot of its infancy, and provides crucial clues to its origins. As the universe continued to expand and cool, tiny fluctuations in density began to grow under the influence of gravity. Regions with slightly more matter attracted even more, eventually forming the seeds of galaxies. Over hundreds of millions of years, these regions coalesced into vast structures. Hydrogen and helium gas collected in these regions, creating the first stars. These stars, known as Population 3 stars, were massive and short-lived, burning through their fuel rapidly before exploding in supernovae. These supernovae played a pivotal role in shaping the universe. They created heavier elements, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, through the process of nuclear fusion. When these stars died, they expelled these elements into space, enriching the surrounding gas clouds. This material would later form new generations of stars, planets, and eventually life itself. The cycle of star birth and death became a cosmic engine, driving the chemical evolution of the universe. Galaxies began to take shape, clustering together under the pull of gravity. Spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies emerged, each with its unique characteristics. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, formed around this time. Within these galaxies, stars continued to form, live, and die, contributing to the ever-changing tapestry of the cosmos. One particular star, located in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, emerged about 4.6 billion years ago. This star, our Sun, formed from a collapsing cloud of gas and dust. Surrounding it, a disk of material gave rise to the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets of our solar system. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, formed in this primordial disk. Over time, it cooled and solidified, creating a dynamic and diverse environment capable of supporting life. Life on Earth began in the oceans, where simple molecules combined to form more complex structures. These structures eventually gave rise to the first living organisms. Over billions of years, life evolved, adapting to changing conditions and diversifying into an incredible array of forms. From single-celled organisms to multicellular life, from the oceans to the land, life has been an integral part of the Earth's story. The story of the universe is not just about the stars and galaxies, but also about the forces that govern them. Gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force and the weak nuclear force are the fundamental interactions that shape the cosmos. These forces have guided the formation of structures from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxy clusters. They have dictated the life cycles of stars and the dynamics of galaxies. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of the universe. As our understanding of the universe deepens, so too does our appreciation for its complexity and beauty. Through the efforts of scientists, philosophers, and thinkers, we have uncovered many of its secrets. From the discovery of the expanding universe by Edwin Hubble to the detection of the cosmic microwave background by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, each breakthrough has brought us closer to understanding our origins. In recent decades, advanced telescopes and observatories have allowed us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed galaxies billions of light years away, showing us the universe as it was in its infancy. Particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider have probed the fundamental building blocks of matter, shedding light on the earliest moments after the Big Bang. Yet despite these advancements, many questions remain. What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious substances that make up most of the universe? What lies beyond the observable universe? How did life arise? And are we alone in the cosmos? These questions drive ongoing exploration and inspire future generations to look to the stars. The origins of the universe are not just a scientific inquiry, but also a deeply philosophical and spiritual one. They prompt us to consider our place in the cosmos and the nature of existence itself. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all things, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. As we gaze at the night sky, we are reminded of the vastness and wonder of the universe. Every star, every galaxy, every particle of matter is part of a story that began billions of years ago. It is a story of creation, transformation, and evolution. It is a story that continues to unfold, with new chapters being written every day. The universe is a testament to the power of curiosity and exploration. It invites us to ask questions, seek answers, and embrace the unknown. It challenges us to look beyond ourselves and consider the bigger picture. It inspires us to dream, to wonder, and to imagine what lies beyond the horizon. The story of the universe is our story. It is a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. It is a call to explore, to discover, and to cherish the world around us. It is a celebration of the human spirit and the boundless potential of our collective imagination. And so, the journey continues. The universe expands, evolves, and transforms just as we do. With each new discovery, we uncover another piece of the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the origins of the universe and our place within it. The quest for knowledge is endless, and the story of the universe is far from over.